But rather than that, she also took offense to the alleged tone that he was using. Ms. Bachchan said that she is an artist who understands body language and also tone that she's spoken to, and she said that she finds it disrespectful that he spoke to her like that. To which Mr. Thankar also got upset and agitated, and he said that he doesn't need to get schooled by her because she doesn't see the Rajya Sabha from the position that he is witnessing, and that reputations are not built by artists alone. And while she has a reputation as an artist, she also has to understand the decorum of the house. He also used the word celebrity, which also made Jaya Bachchan very angry, and of course that led to a walkout by the opposition MPs from the Rajya Sabha today. And after coming out, Ms. Bachchan, she was accompanied by Sonia Gandhi and several other leaders of the opposition, including K.C. Venugopal. Jaya Bachchan said that she found the tone that is being used in the house quite disrespectful and problematic, especially for women. She said that there are words like buddhiheen that are used in the house now, which were not used earlier, and these are disrespectful of not just women but also of people. And Mr. Dhankar could be the vice president, also the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, but they're all colleagues, and there needs to be some respect when it comes to talking to colleagues. Well, the usage of Jaya Amitabh Bachchan, I think that Ms. Bachchan has had a problem with. She has been saying that she's very proud of her husband, her family, her achievements, but she has also alleged that the BJP has started a new, she's called it a drama of calling her with her middle name, and she has taken objection to it. We saw a similar episode play out between her and Mr. Thankar a few days ago, and a similar thing happened between her and Harivansh, who is the deputy chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. To which Mr. Thankar had then earlier said that there is a procedure of changing the name, and she can use that if she wishes through. But today Ms. Bachchan was agitated largely because she alleged that the tone that is being used in the parliament, specifically by the vice president, is not something that she finds respectful. But of course the BJP has taken cognizance of this.